So we need our nominal strength for our well, which is FW times our FW. So no problem with this. We have our electrode here, 70. So okay, this one is we need our thickness, no? That's 0.707 of thickness times the length of our well. So length, y kaso, which we have here. And then this one siguro no what nakabalo. So we need to figure out its balance yan sa ato. Okay, so in order for us to determine that, we need to check for our or we need to go back to the table and let's check our minimums and maximums. Okay, so we have here 2 plates. No? We lock. Okay, lock. Okay, and then the other one is 10 mm by 100 mm. So this is 100. Yeah. And then the other one is 15 by 200. So the thickness is 15 mm. The width is 200 mm. Okay. So say dito sa what nila for the minimum well. For minimum well, minimum thickness. Minimum thickness of well. Ilan na ito?
Okay.
Other sources I will say A, but let's use W in our discussion here. We have, sa ito yun dito sa table? What's the minimum? 6 mm kung saan na ito? Less than minimum na ba? 6 mm kung saan na ito? 3.6. Ang minimum kung 6 ang thickness. We have to check to kung kinsa mas nipis sa ila. So, mas nipis is ini, no? This is the thinner. So 10 mm na siya sa i-compare. Five siya kung over 6 mm ang thickness. So therefore this is 5 mm. Okay. What about the maximum for for mean and max? For mean and max. So W max is equals to thickness minus kung mula pasok 6 or more. No? So kung 6 or more, so 10 man siya. So this one is 10 minus 2 mm. So this one is bila 8 mm. Okay. So you're allowed from 5 mm to 8 mm na well sa inyo sa ating configuration. So any value you like. So 5, 6, 7, or 3. Just use 6. Okay. You may use what? This is arbitrary. Ako lang sulatan din arbitrary. Piling ka mo magpala. Kami magbuot. Use W6. So, paano yan? Any value niya siya. So, your answers might be paper sa inyong solution ay. So, natay 6, I mean na pwede ka 5, pwede ka 8. Okay? So let's just use 6 for the purposes of this discussion. So if that's 6, therefore, we can now have our length, which is this one is 6 mm. Okay, and then this one is 45. So our length na yun is, ilabay ang length namin, 125. But we have to check that first if that's if lampas na siya sa atong minimum when required. So it's like here. For the minimum length, ang ingon is 4W. 4W, that's 4 times 6 mm. So that's equals to 24. 24 mm is less than your actual length there. So 125. It's 125. So therefore it's okay. Okay, that we have length. So what's next? Our LW, no? L over W, no? To determine if what's the value of our beta. For LW, we have 125 over 6. Over your 6, no?
20.83.
20.
Yes, sir.
Point
83.
50. So it's less than 100. So therefore, PSI is equal to 1.0. So what's our RU? RU na dito. Ano naman mo sa kaya reduction factor? That's 0.25 right away. Multiplied by 0.6 of our well done, which is 17. So 50. This is money. PSI money. You need to convert this into what? MPA.
482.65.
Kita mana siya? So 70 times 6.895.
482.65.
482.65. Tara.
Yes, sir.
So this is newtons per square meter. Para i-note din, no? This is from 70 PSI. So what's next? The area of our throat. Of course, the beta is 1. And then for the throat, we have 0.767 times 6 mm times
125.
125 mm. Pero, gawin mo, no, kailangan din gawin sila mo resist. So this one here, and this one here. Times R is equals to
Ito na. 1,000. Lima to, ni times to. Ito o, 125. Wala eh, times 2. Nagkakasa eh.
Divide 1,000 sir.
Ayan. Divide.
230 sir.
230.30.
230.30
sir.
230.30. Wala ka ng 270 ka. Wala siya. 360. Alam ka lang. That's it. Okay, so this is for the longitudinal 12 only. Sabot na, sir. Yeah,
Saka isa, alam mo ito din na.
yeah, that's it. Now, sir, sa man natin na may pakapit yan. So, these are what you call your
Latitudinal.
basically, malak na siya sa man para malak ako pwede. Or, the main purpose is
and
for
referring,
better fatigue
referring,
resistance. Okay, magsige lagi init
and
kayo yung
referring.
metal.
And returns to guys.
Para malak lang siya na type and returns. So the computation for that is the same. No? For the minimum length of this, okay, wag man nato ni siya gipalahos. Okay? So the minimum length of that is still the same for 8 o I mean 4W. So it's still 4 times 6 so 24 yan pa. So this one here should be 20. This one is 20. Sa may kuha na sir, strength. The same yan po. The same yan siya. So if ato na siya ipalahos, muna na itong na itong Rn equals to Rn longitudinal, no? Plus Rn transverse, pero naa siya ay 1.5 o longitudinal. So naa siya ay RW longitudinal plus RW for the transverse, in which this one is 0.55 of the RWL plus 1.5 for the RW. So that's the total. Total na, plus naman si longitudinal plus the transverse. If ato siya pa-laos. Okay? Questions? Dali lang waiting.
Balik pa naman.